Hello again, Andy with Handy Andy, and we are out today doing some FHA inspection repairs. And if you're a real estate agent or a home buyer or even a seller, FHA is a great way to go. The only trick with it is you've got an appraiser come out and tell you repairs that must be made in order to close that loan. And usually their two biggest things are rotted wood and peeling paint of any kind. They just can't do it. If they see it, they're going to cite it. So like here, they're going to make you clean this up and repaint the carport. They're going to make you repaint this little step right here. They're going to make you clean up. And these are all things that are in the FHA appraiser's report. He wants this wood around through here, so he really wants the door and the trim repainted. He surprisingly didn't say anything about the sidewalk, but he wants any rotted wood like here. When they replace these windows, they put all new windows in the house, so they've got a reduced, really no sill. That's just a piece of 5/4 board that was stuck in there. It wasn't pressure treated, it wasn't beveled, so the water went back in and rotted out. So this one has to be replaced all the way across at the double window to the living room. And he wants everything caulked and sealed. So like here on this window, this is just peeling paint, needs to be redone. We'll caulk the edges and not charge for it because we're already here. We just need to touch up this little edge of the siding right here on the front gable. Every one of the windows pretty much. Two of these on the front are rotted. I forget which other one, if it was this one or that other one over there. One of them are rotted. And then on the side over here, it's the same thing. Where it got a lot of sun. You can see these two up here need to be sealed up and repainted. On the back of the house, got a nice little back patio. These houses are great. They're older houses. This house is probably built in the 40s. So he wants all this painted. He wants this railing on the balcony, or on the deck, I mean, repainted. And we'll just paint it one coat to match what's here. Same thing here. You got a bunch of peeling paint on the rear patio. Can't do it. And then any little spots around while the guys are here, we'll caulk and seal up these windows back here as well. These are all things the inspector wanted. And so once you do those things, you're good to go. He'll come back out. Sometimes a lot of the FHA appraisers know Handy Andy, so they don't come back out, or they'll take our pictures when we send them over. And that's pretty much what they're looking for. They're all certified, those appraisers, so they don't want to risk their certification. They need to know that the work was done. And some of them require, they'll come back out. And sometimes we'll come out, usually we'll come out and meet with them. This one back here is totally rotted through. So you gotta replace that. And all these rotted out because they use regular whiteboards and didn't back seal and prime all the edges. And so it just rotted out. That one, the woodpeckers got after it too for some reason. Same thing here, this one bowed up. So you got 4 of them need to be replaced and then repainted. But fortunately, we do a one call does her all. But just remember, don't get frustrated if you're a real estate agent or a home seller dealing with FHA. Yeah, it's a little slower process, but once they're done, you're good to close. And so, you know, it's a good loan program. A lot of sellers don't want to deal with it because they don't want the hassle of going through like this, the appraisal and the repairs. But you've got people like us on deck. We're a one call does it all type of company. Been doing this for 32 years in Atlanta. Next generation is getting ready to come on board for this company, but I'll stay here till God calls me home. But this is a nice little house, solidly built. Just needs a few little things to get her closed. You can reach us in the office. Sometimes you get to me directly at 770-265-9017. I'm Andy. See you at the next house. Bye for now.